face new challenges. Luckily, they have their coaches and our incredible live band to support them. So boys, using only music, can you just tell me how you're feeling? Thank you, guys. Right, next up from Team Tom, it's Matt and Celine. Whoa, you go that side. Well done, well done. Pressure on you, because obviously last time you were here, you found yourselves in the bottom two. So coming out again tonight, there's a lot riding on this.
My hand right now, and I'm not much better, to be honest.
Yeah, it must have been odd, because actually for the first time you weren't.
This is BBC Television from London. Normal programming has been suspended. This is BBC Television from London. Normal programming has been suspended. This is BBC Television from London. Normal programming has been suspended.
This is an emergency broadcast from the BBC. Information of a possible nuclear strike against this country has been received. The current threat level is critical, meaning an attack is imminent. Civilians are advised to stay in their homes. Evacuations are currently taking place in the London area. All motorways and airports have been closed for military use. Non-essential telephone lines have also been temporarily disconnected. Please stand by and await further information. This is an emergency broadcast from the BBC. Information of a possible nuclear strike against.
Attack warning red. Attack warning red. Seek immediate shelter. Seek immediate shelter. Attack warning red. Attack warning red.